The BITS Pilani Work Integrated Learning Program's M.Tech Cloud Computing is a 4-semester program and is designed for working professionals to impart them with a thorough knowledge of big data, distributed computing, network and security in cloud, building cloud-native applications, cloud economics and more.
One of the topics covered in our course is the topic on data center networks. Now, it's quite an interesting area and we will be introducing what a data center network typically is and what is the role of a data center network in networking the nodes in a data center. We will look at the differences in the traffic patterns that are encountered by a data center network. In fact, the traffic pattern is quite different than what is seen in a regular communication network. So we will see how a data center network traffic pattern, for example, differs from the traffic patterns observed in, let's say, a wide area network. Accordingly, there are different design challenges when you build a data center network because the traffic patterns themselves are different. So we will also cover the design challenges in building a data center network.
Dear colleagues, this is Dr. Pradeep from BITS Pilani, Chennai off campus. I am going to discuss today about the cloud networking workshop. This is about traffic monitoring. We are going to discuss about the Wireshark tools, the need for monitoring traffic and lab sessions on Wireshark and the Wireshark introduction. Thank you.
In the recent conference of Open Networking Users Group, there was a famous saying from the SP Global head, everything that goes into the cloud starts with the network. So when we talk about the network infrastructure, the need for deploying applications, managing the workload into the cloud or dealing with the connectivity and security, it requires a good networking talent. In this workshop, we'll look into the details of cloud networks, data center network, the protocols and software-defined wide area networks, creating the virtual network activity, the lab activities for the students. I will show you a virtual data center developed for this course in M.Tech in Cloud Computing. Let's have a details of that.
We have a set of lab activities for this course. I have developed our own set of BITS lab activities using the Cisco Network Simulator tool, where the student can directly look into the step-by-step details of configuring and troubleshooting the layer 2 and layer 3 protocols. And looking into the details of enterprise networks, understanding the technology with the core, aggregated and edge routing devices, and also comparing the real enterprise network connectivity with the different vendors and organizations globally. We'll talk about the data center networks with the traditional and modern spine and the leaf architecture and the protocols in detail, looking into the details of SDN controllers, AWS Virtual Private Cloud, and exploring the virtual data center of BITS Pilani Global Campus Networks. Thank you.